Then in the back, it has a little seat for your child's baby or toy. So we put her bunny in there and she was so excited that I received this bike through Amazon Vine, and my daughter was so excited to finally ride this bike. She's 3 years old and this was such a fun moment for her. So I was able to set this up in about, I want to say 3 hours, no, maybe 2 hours or less. And that was mostly just from my end with a few small hiccups. But overall, it was actually very easy to put together. And I've put together quite a few bicycles. So I have 4 kids and I can honestly say this was probably one of the easiest ones. But here it is. It's really cute. I love the little details like the streamers on the handles, the bell, and the basket in the front. And then in the back, it has a little seat for your child's baby or toy. So we put her bunny in there and she was so excited that it could ride along with her. It's a very simple bike, but in a good way. Nothing complicated, just easy for them to get on and start riding. It comes with training wheels, which is great for beginners. And the seat is adjustable, so you can raise it as your child grows, which makes it more practical long term. The frame feels solid and the tires are wide enough to help with balance, especially for kids who are just learning. The braking system is really simple. It uses a foot brake, so they just pedal backwards to stop, which is easier for younger kids to understand. So we put it together, tested it the same day, and so far everything has been great. She had so much fun riding it. It's a beautiful bike, especially if your child loves pink. I mean, it comes in different colors as well, so it's just a really good beginner option.